Okay, guys, it is the time for the $500 trading tips, and we will be checking this out right here in this video. However, before we go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly subscribe to this channel right away. These are the assets that we'll be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you are not joining me live and direct, okay, you will have to have a recheck on the chart before you can follow up with the analysis. So let's start with gainx 1200. So I will be doing my analysis on 15-minute time frame, and I'm using the 3M trend Milka custom made indicator to analyze. Okay, so earlier today I gave us update on this particular trade, and of course I told us that this after giving us a second touch right here that it's going to sell, it achieved our first TP, second TP. It didn't achieve the third TP. It almost achieved it. Okay, and I gave us reasons why I stopped at third TP because I feel that on on 1 hour time frame, it's trying to go back on uptrend, but it needs to get to a certain stage before it will pull back. You can see that it is now going back on uptrend. So this is going to be more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. Next asset is going to be gainx 999. Let's check it out together. So this is gainx 999. This had been an uptrend for a while, and of course, after getting to the resistance zone, it played around there for a while before breaking out above the resistance zone to give us more buying opportunity. And as it is still buying. Okay, if it breaks out above the next resistance zone, which is where it is at the moment, then it's going to buy more. If it does not, it will go back on downtrend. So this is still on uptrend at the moment, so it is giving us more buying vibes. Okay. Next asset is going to be Paynex 1200. Let's check it out together. So this is 1000, I mean, Paynex 1250-minute time frame. These had been on downtrend for a while, and of course, got to the support zone, tried to go back on uptrend, but didn't go too far and came back down. Right now, it's trying to go back up again. If it goes above this, then definitely it shows that the structure has been changed at that particular time. So it is going fully into an uptrend right from there. But if it does not, then it will go back down and try to break out below the support zone. But for now, this is still buying just the way we are seeing it. Okay. Next asset is going to be Paynex 999. Let's see what is happening there. Okay. So guys, this is Paynex 199. I mean Paynex 999 on 15-minute time frame. We actually analyzed this asset earlier today. I told us that once it triggered our entry point, then it should buy more. So we add our stop loss at the support zone. Then we have some highlighted TPs for us right here. You can see it's almost achieving the first TP. Congratulations to those who are able to pick up this signal today. Okay, and of course, the second TP is somewhere, and right here is the third TP. Okay, so this is going to be giving us more buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. Let's check out the last asset, which is going to be FX volume 80 on 15-minute time frame also. FX volume 80 had been on uptrend for a while, but it got to this sub resistance zone. It was unable to break out from there, so it has been playing around there for a while. Okay, so it's trying to break out below the support zone, but it has not been able to break out below it successfully. So each time it moves towards the down part of the channel, it goes back up again. Right now it is going back up. If it breaks out above it, then it will be targeting this resistance zone. And if it's break out above this resistance zone, then definitely it is still on a very strong uptrend. But if it does not and it breaks out below this lower part of the channel, then definitely it means it is going to sell more. Okay, at this particular point. But for now, this is buying at the moment until it is unable to break out above the upper part of the channel. Okay, so this is buying, and at the same time, I would like us to keep an eye on the sell signal also in case it breaks out below the support zone. I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash. And if you love my content, kindly subscribe to this channel right away. Okay, watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.